Hello, mates. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Faith, and today I'll be taking you through the unboxing and setting up of my Emel EMM8 Direct Drive industrial machine. Okay, guys, for real, this is my first time owning an industrial machine. I don't know. I can't remember if I've tried using one before. But it feels so surreal, so beautiful. The feeling is so fulfilling, guys. How I got this machine is a story for another day. But anyways, okay, let's move on. As you can see, the unwrapping. He's bringing out everything, the legs, setting it up. Wow. Well, I got this machine for 390,000 naira this January in Onitsha, Anambra State. I don't know. Do you think it's a fair price? Kindly let me know in the comment section. So this guy came quite early to set it up for me. I've never met him, but he came highly recommended from the vendor I got the machine from. And having seen him work, I assure you he sure knows what he's doing. Well, I will leave his name and his contact in the comment in the description box, just in case anybody will need that. Well, at this point, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notified every time we make an upload. Also, drop your comments in the comment section. I will sure read every one of them. Thank you. Wow. I feel so happy, guys. Serious. So happy. This guy, he was so fast. The way he was handling this whole thing, you could tell that he has done this countless time. Guys, seriously, it's good to be good at what you do. Really, when you take what you do serious, other people will take you serious. So guys, we've progressed so far, and as you can see, the setup is nearly completed. The more it's getting to completion, the happier I became, guys. It's not my fault. Well, at some point I was like, wow, me own. I mean, I didn't think I would have this quick in the year, but the Lord came true for me, guys. He came true for me. Wow. Well, I won't use question finish this guy. I won't use question wound them. Yeah, he started putting me through the things that I needed to know. He was teaching me about the speed, and the good thing about this machine is that I can control the speed. Yes. One of my fears about industrial machines when I see them being used is the speed. But the beautiful thing about this is you can control the speed that you want. So whether you're a beginner or an expert, or you're an expert, you can actually use, what is comfortable for you. So it was putting me through a lot of things that I need to know, how to treat the machine, everything. Guys, almost at the end, I asked about I saw a white rope underneath. I was like, why didn't you cut it off? He said, no, that rope, it soaks oil, and it distributes the oil to other parts of the shuttle's end. I was like, Ewo Chimo, I knew if I didn't know, if he hadn't told me what that meant, that rope was for, I would have ended up, using it, maybe cutting it out or something, thinking it was an oversight. So, but I thank God, Joy, I forgot it. Oh my God, I forgot it. Wow. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for joining me on this. Yeah, that's the rope. That's the rope there. Thank you so much, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.